What's that, Mumbles?
Don't spoil it for your American friends. We can't tell them. We can't we can't announce any spoilers across the border. But yeah, we're getting it a month. I guess it's like a month early.
Bomb Squad's just double checking everything.
Yeah, this is probably a good idea.
You lied to me. You said you knew what you were doing in there just to get me to leave.
Yeah, well, I like you better not in a million pieces.
It aired like this last season, and we didn't know what would happen, but it's kind of great. Like it's the dialogue that starts percolating before it airs south of the border is really great. And it's great to see people's investment in the show just kick up and ramp up as the season's just about to start. Like with some shows, I've managed to keep my head in the sand with some things. If you really want to not know, you can mostly not know. Right. But some people like to go and peek at the Christmas present.
Sam's about to have a baby, and it's not